Control C, Control V. So, in fact, I will start with 8085 interfacing with this RAM and ROM, right? And of course, we discussed this one, this interfacing diagram of 8085 with different size of RAM and ROM chips, right? So let us redraw that schematic diagram first over here. So suppose this is 8085, right? And here we have a memory chip. Here we have a memory chip, right? In memory chip, you will have address lines A0 to say A10, right? Means 11. 2 to the power 11 is how much? Hello? Is 2 to the power 11 is?
2048.
2K RAM. Right. Suppose we have a 2K RAM. So these address, right? So this address will be sent by the microprocessor. How it will send? Using AD0, AD7, right? External latch will be there. And from here, A0 to A7 will come out. And A8 to A15 is nothing but address bus. So A8 to A10 will come out from these pins, A8 to A15 pin, while A0 to A7 will come out from AD0, AD7. Right. In a RAM chip, you will have address pins based on how much is the size of RAM. So 2K RAM. So how many address lines? 11 address lines. A0 to A10. No. So A0 will be connected to this. A7 will be also connected. A8 will be also coming over here, and A10 up to this. Right. Now A11 to A15. Right. We discussed earlier. All these are decoded, no, properly in order to generate the chip select. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in a RAM chip, you will have this chip select pin, you will have address pin, you will have data pins D0 to D7. Right. And this D0 to D7 will be connected to this. Right. Next, you will have read bar pin also and write bar pin also. Now these read bar and write bar pin will be generated using these three pins: read bar, write bar, and IOM bar pin. Right? Using these three pins, these three signals will come out from processor, and it will generate 4 lines. No, 4 lines. Right? MEMR. Right? Memory read, MEMW, right? Memory write, and IO read and IO write. Right? These two pins sir was discussing yesterday. IO read, IO write will come, and it will go to read bar, write bar of 8255. Right? So this up to this we discussed earlier. So this is related to memory interfacing. Now suppose processor wants to read some data, LDA 2400H. What it will do? It will send the address first via this. Right? And from that location, right, content of that location 2400H is somewhere here, and here if it is XX, it will come out and it will go into the processor and it will be loaded into the accumulator. Right? Now, what is 8255? 8255 is also nothing but a memory chip, you can say, with some extra facilities. What type of extra facilities will be there? In fact, suppose this 2400 is one location. 2400 is one location inside this 8255. Then apart from this D0 to D7 pin, right, it will have whatever is the content of this 2400 will be having these type of pins also, right? So now in these pins, you can connect an external device, right? This facility is not there in memory chip. This facility is not there in the memory chip. Why? Because 2K RAM. 2K RAM. 2K RAM is 2048 different location. And suppose if you start giving this type of pins to each and every location will have 8 pins, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So how many pins we will need? These many pins. Right. So this is not possible with the memory chips. So you cannot connect the external peripheral devices, right, to a memory chip like this directly, right? So we use this type of circuit or ICs. Nah. So 8255, you can think of a 4-byte RAM. 4-byte RAM. So how many? Right, 4-byte means 8 pins over here, 8 pins over here, right? This is port A, this is port B, and this is port C. Right, here we must write port C, and this is port B, like this, D0 to D7. So how many pins are over? 8, 8, 8, 8. So 32 pins are over, no? Hello? Hello?
24, no, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Port A 8 pins, port B 8 pins, and port C 8 pins.
And what about the D0, D7?
Yes, sir. That including that will get again 8.
32 pins are over. Now we have to address these 3 bytes, no? We have to address these 3 bytes. So how many bit address lines are there? Here we have to address how many bytes? 2048. So we need A0 to A10. Here we need only 3. So we need only A0 and A1 only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear?
Yes.
So, but what about this? Then A2 to A7 has to be properly decoded to get the chip select. Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Like here A11 to A15. Right, we are using for chip select. Similarly, A2 to A7 will be properly decoded and it will be used for chip select. Now, if you want to expand your RAM, you have to connect another RAM chip, no? Another 2K RAM you can connect. And here also A0 to A7, A10 will be pins. But A11 to A15 will be properly decoded in order to get the chip select over here. So this decoder will produce a unique address which is not going to be similar to the first RAM, no? Anyway, so this way, right? So how many pins are over? 32 plus 3, 35, right? VCC will be there, ground will be there. Of course, read bar, write bar will be there. Read bar, write bar will be there. Why write bar has to be there? Suppose at port B, here we have connected a printer. So 8085, it wants to print a content of 2 400H. What it will do? It will do LDA 2400H. So data will be in the accumulator. Then it will out that content to port B. So it will do what? Out port B. So 2400 content will be placed over here and it will be printed. Right? Of course, in that case, you have to decide this port has output port. Okay. Now I'm just now I'm going to explain what are the different devices which will be connected to these pins. Right. If suppose processor is there, 8085, and here we have memory. So it is interfaced with this. Next. Here we have 8255. This is also interfaced with memory. Now here you will have external pins like this. Right. In case of, right, apart from this D0 to D7 or address pins, it will have these external pins also. But here, apart from address and D0 to D7, you won't have any external pin in memory chip. Now in 8255, suppose this is port A, right? Then here 4 bit of PC upper, no? Then I will have 4 bit of PC lower and 8 pins of what? Port B. Now in control word, you know, if you want to have port A as input, then you need to do what? This bit has to be 1, no? Right. And if you want PC upper has output, then this bit has to be 0. Then this bit, if you want port B as output, then this bit has to be 0. And if you want PC lower as input, then this has to be 1. Right. Of course, this has to be 1 in case of simple IO. These two will be for modes. This one will be for modes. Right. Now, I want to explain you how this 1 is going to make all pins of port A in this direction. Or how this 0 is going to make all these port C upper pins in outward direction. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Last class, this thing was said by sir, no?
Yes, sir.
If you put 0, then it will become output. If you put 1, then it will become input. So very simple. I'm just giving you the schematic diagram. It's not the original circuitry, right? Suppose this is PA0. This is 1 pin of port A, right? If you want to make it, say, input, then this one is the schematic I'm putting. This is schematic. It's not original circuitry. If this is 1, PA0 will be in this point, no? If
Sir,
this is 1, yes. Hello?
Sir, ये part समझ नहीं आया sir.
PA0 equal to say 1. At this point, what will be value? What will be Y?
1, sir.
1. It means PA0 is traveling in this direction. I'm just giving you the schematic idea. Now, if you want to make, so this is PA0, right? If you want to make like this. Now, if this is 0, what will happen? PA0 is going to come this side. PA0 will travel in this direction or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No. If this is 0, then PA0 is not going to appear at this point. But
At left side we'll get 0, sir, and right side PA0 nothing is connected, so it will be 1 only.
so this will be 1. Now, suppose this side we have Y0, or make it PA0 dash. What will happen? Now this PA0 dash is going to appear over here, no? So if you make 0, pin is going to be outward pin. Right? If you give 1, then same pin will become inward, incoming. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. So similarly, all 8 pins will be given the same control. Same control. So if you give 0, all 8 pins PA0 to PA7 will become output pin. And if you give this control signal as 1, all PA0 to PA7 pin will become input. Similarly here, if you give, see this one I am giving 0. So PC7 to PC4 will become output only. While for PC3 to PC0, separate control is there. Right? So these will be incoming pins. Right? Similarly, if you give say 0 to say for port B, then all pins will become output. Right? So what is the difference between these 3 ports? Port C you can configure in nibble form separately. Upper nibble you can have output, lower nibble you can have input. Right? Upper nibble as output, lower nibble also as output. Right? It's up to you what type of control word you put in the control register. Based on that, this 8255 will be configured. Hello?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yesterday's program, sir told no, sir, that if C7 pin is, we are putting output from there, and already C4, C5, and C6 are giving the input. Then something that was explained, no, sir. Like we cannot output only a single C7 bit.
Yes. In fact, okay. So what was the problem? Probably PA0 was here, right? PA1 bar was there. Then PV0. Hello, can you recall that?
Sir, I remember that C7 we took as the output, sir, and we took some input, sir, like, and we added all things. So C7 is the output. PA0 and 2-3 things we took as input, sir.
Right. So can we go for this example now? How it will be done? Hello.
Sir, could you mention? Could you take input another C also?
Okay. Oh, C was also there, no? Okay. C1, C2 was there.
So once again, I'll check and say, I have the photo.
Okay. Just give me that expression C7. In fact, I actually okay. Just give me that expression so that
Expression C7 equals to,
yes, C7 equals to
A naught into A1 bar
A naught into A1 bar
into B naught
into B naught
into C1 C2.
into
C1 into C2.
C1 C2, no?
Yes, sir.
And we were saying C7 as output.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So PC lower, C1 C2 will be in PC lower, no?
I understood the program, sir. I had a doubt that can we use C5 here as an input or not? Like, if can we write here multiplied by C5 also, sir, or not?
No. You cannot write in simple IO mode. You cannot do that because in this case, PC upper we are declaring as output, right? So this will be C1, C2. Similarly, PC7 we are declaring as output, no? So PC7, PC5, PC6 and PC4 all will be output. So you cannot use this one.
Sir, means PC4 to PC7, it will be either output or input. It
Yes.
cannot
Means all four will be output. All four will be output.
Yes, sir.
Like similarly, C0 to C3 all will be input only.
Yes, sir. Understood. Sir.
Right? But okay. So up to this it is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to tell you what are the things we are going to connect in this 24 different pins. Right? Suppose here we have a RTD. RTD, you know, it is resistance temperature detector. Hello? It is made of metal or alloys. It is nothing but a resistor only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
In this measurement lab, right? In measurement lab, we have so many experiments based on these type of transducers, like temperature measurement, displacement measurement, pressure measurement, level measurement, speed measurement. All these type of measurement experiments are there. So in measurement lab, you studied this RTD. RTD resistance is given by this 1 plus alpha into delta T. Its resistance increases with increase in temperature because this alpha is positive, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, LDR, light dependent resistor. Its resistance is very high, in the order of mega ohm. In the order of mega ohm, if this LDR is kept in dark room, right? And if light falls on it, then its resistance becomes very low. Similarly, temperature increases, RTD resistance increases, right? And then we have strain gauge also. Strain gauge resistance also increases if pressure is applied on it, or dimension of the gauge material is changing. Gauge resistance will change. R is equal to, right, R0 R stands for what? Rho L by A, no? So if L increases by say delta L and area decreases by say delta A, then of course this resistance will increase. So with increasing pressure, resistance is increasing. With increasing temperature, resistance is increasing. If light intensity is decreasing, then also resistance is increasing in this case. Right. Similarly, level is increasing inside water level or liquid level inside a tank is increasing, what will happen? Weight of that tank is going to increase, so it will put more pressure, right? So finally you can have a voltage. So this type of circuit you can have, comparator circuit. So suppose this is 3 volt, right? And if a sensor produces, if a temperature sensor produces 100 millivolt per degree centigrade, right? So when this voltage will be greater, so if a temperature sensor produces 100 millivolt per degree centigrade, right? So when it is going to produce 3 volt, when this temperature sensor is going to produce 3 volt, quickly.
Sir, when the outcome from that sensor is less than 3 volts.
No. This temperature sensor produces 100 millivolt per degree centigrade. So we have put this sensor inside a chamber. So when this temperature sensor is going to produce 3 volt, when temperature inside the chamber is how? Is so, right? So in 10 degree centigrade, it will produce how much? 1 volt.
At 3000 degrees.
100 millivolt per degree centigrade. So 100 millivolt in 1 degree centigrade. So if temperature increases by say 10 degrees centigrade, it will produce how much? 1 volt or not?
Yes, at 30 degrees we need for 3 volts.
At 30 degrees centigrade, it will produce 3 volt. Okay. Now if temperature is more than 30 degree, what will happen? And this is a plus, this is minus. And this is, okay, let us make it here 30 millivolt. And this is producing say 1 millivolt per degree centigrade. So it will produce 30 millivolt. It will produce 30 millivolt when this is temperature here is 30 degrees centigrade. Now if temperature is greater than 30 degrees centigrade, this voltage Vx will be greater than 30 millivolt or not?
Yes, sir.
Greater than 30 millivolt. And if this is plus VCC is 5 volt and minus VCC is minus 5 volt, what will be the output of the comparator? Right. If this is 30 millivolt, this is 30 millivolt, what will be output? Both are 30 millivolt. Both inputs are 30 millivolt. What will be the output?
Sir, 0.
0 volt. If Vx is more than 30, what will be output? Plus 5 volt. If Vx is less than 30, what will be output? Minus 5 volt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now suppose if you feed this one to say PA0, right? PA0, port A pin off, right? PA0 is one of the pin of port A, right?
Yes.
If PA0 is 1, it means what? Temperature here is more than 30 degrees centigrade. Okay. Similarly, if we have pressure sensor, this will produce 1 volt. No, this will produce 5 volt if pressure exceeds its limit. So this will be connected to say PA1. Similarly, C1, C2 level inside the tank is increasing, and moment it is about to overflow, that time PC1 will be made 1 by the sensor. Are you getting these points?
Yes.
Right. So you can see, you can connect 24 sensors, right, to your processor. 24 sensors. Or suppose here we have a fan, right? This fan we are turning on by pressing the switch, right? And we have to inform the microprocessor that this fan is running. How to inform? This switch will be linked to another switch. Mechanically, it will be linked to another switch, right? So, and here you will have plus 5 volt. So if you are pressing this switch, same time this switch is also pressed, and this 5 volt comes over here, and this is connected to say PB0. So when we are pressing this switch to turn on this fan, PB0 becomes 1. So processor will read this PB0 and it will understand whether fan is running or not. If PB0 is 0, fan is not running. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now let us come to this control word, because this is very, very important. You need to remember this in order to do the programming. Right. So control word of 8255 is of 8-bit length. In fact, in 8085, most of the all control words are of 8-bit length. Right. So you need to write D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. You remember this program we wrote, no? Program for generating square wave on SOD pin. Serial output data pin. Here we generated square wave like this by writing what? MVIA C0H SIM, right? Call delay MVIA 40H SIM call delay, and then JMP back over here, right? So in fact this SOD pin is mainly, it is designed for what? Outputting data serially. We should not do this, like generating square wave at SOD pin. We can do it, of course, if you want to generate, we can have, but it is designed for sending the data serially to a serial device. There is no point in generating this type of waveform on SOD pin. Okay. So now we will go by this control word of 8255. Sir was discussing that D7 has to be 1 for simple IO. D7 has to be 1 for input output mode. And when this is 0, when D7 is 0, it is for BSR mode. Right? It is for BSR mode.
Sir,
No.
simple IO will be selected at D6, no sir. D7's IO or BSR mode just.
Yes, you are right. D7 is used for IO or BSR. Right? Simple IO will be selected by these bits. Right? Sorry, Control Z. Okay. Now this BSR mode we need to discuss because sir already discussed the other modes. BSR mode works only for port C. Port C, and using this mode one can set or reset any pin of port C, any pin of port C, PC0 to PC7. Right? Now suppose we want to generate a square wave at PC0. Square wave at PC0. How we will do? We have to put this one as 0, no? In BSR mode. Everybody agrees? Hello?
Yes.
Good. We have to put this 0, right? All these are don't care. So either you put 1 or 0, nothing is going to happen. No effect will be there. Right. Now for selecting PC0, these 3 bits, D1, D2, D3, you have to make it 0, 0, 0. And this bit, you have to make 1 in order to set PC0 equal to 5 volt. Right. And then 0, X, 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 000, 0. This you have to make in order to make PC0 equal to 0 volt. Right. So what is the control word? Suppose we make all these bits 1. What is our control word? This is 7 and this is 1, no?
Yes.
So what you have to do? MVIA 71H. Then of course this out 83H. That is control word. Register address has to be there. So it will make PC0 equal to 5 volt. Right. Then you have to call a delay. Call delay. Then MVIA. What will be next control word? 1110 70, no? Out 83H, call delay, JMP, back. Back will be over here. Now this will generate continuously square wave at PC0 only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me if you want to generate this is D1, D2, D3, this is D0, D4, D5, D6, D7. If you want to generate, say, this type of pulse, this type of pulse, this type of pulse, this is 5 volt, and this duration is say of say 10 millisecond, and again this becomes 5 volt. This type of pulse we have to generate at say PC7. PC7. So what should be our program? You tell me what should be D7? Wait. Ankesh Raj. Ankesh Raj.
Sir, no, 1 minute, sir. I just lost things. 1 minute.
Why? Harshvardhan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, quickly.
Sir, for this given program, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we are using bits at its BSR mode, sir, then we need to keep D70, sir.
Yes, D70, okay.
Then, sir,
D6, D5, D4, don't care. What about D3, D2, D1?
sir, first we need to use PC7, sir. So D3, no, D2 will be 1, sir. D3, D1, no need, sir. So D2 will be 1 and D0 will be 0.
D0 will be?
0, sir.
And what about D1 and D3?
Sir, they belong to A and B, no, sir. So we don't require them.
अरे बाबा, आपने BSR मोड का ये देखा ही नहीं कंट्रोल वर्ड. हमने क्या बोला? हमने क्या बोला कि D7 is 0. Right?
Yes,
because it is for BSR mode. These three
yes,
bits I don't care. Right?
Yes.
D1, D1, D2 and D3 are actually used for selecting the pin number. So in last example, I took PC0, no? So I kept all these 3 0. So that's why PC0 was set or reset.
Sir, God
Now
says
I
0.
want to do PC7.
See, 1 1 1 will have, sir. D1, D2, D3.
All these will be 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? And in last example, I took these don't care bits as 1. We can take this one 0 also, not a problem. So our control word will be 0E. Or if you take 1 over here, then it will be 7E. So if you do say MVI-A 0E, right, out 83H, which is control register address, then it will make what? PC7 equal to 0 volt. Right? Now, if all these are, now if you make this one 1, our control word is going to change, no? It will be 0F or 7F. So if you do say MVI-A 0F/7FH, and if we out this one at 83H, it will make what? PC7 equal to 5 volt.
Sir, excuse me. Yes.
Yes, it will make, no? So what
Yes,
will be
yes.
our program? What will be our program? Right? So first of all, you have to make PC7 5 volt. Then you have to make it 0 volt. Remain there for 10 millisecond. Then you make it 5 volt. So what will be our program? MVI-A. बोलिए.
Sir, first we need to keep 1 or 0, sir. 5 volts or 0 volts first. Starting.
I'm saying no. First of all, you have to make it 5 volt.
Sir, then we will
Then
keep
make
it
it 0 volt. for 10 millisecond.
0F, sir. First.
Make it 5 volt and leave it. Is this point is not clear?
Clear, sir.
For 10 millisecond, you have to make it 0 volt. This is called negative pulse. Right? And this will be used for triggering the so many circuits. Right? Which will come, right? Which will be discussed by Solanki sir. Probably in next to next class. So MVIA, you tell me quickly.
Sir, 0F.
0F/7FH.
Yes, sir.
And you have to out this one to control register what?
Out 83. Sir.
83H. Right. Next, you have to make it 0. So how to do this? MVIA. बोलिए.
Sir, we need to out C also, no, sir.
Huh?
C port पे भी हमें out करना पड़ेगा ना, sir.
No. It's not needed. In DSR mode, it is dedicated only for port C. Right. Moment you write the control word onto the control register, port C pin will be affected directly.
Yes, sir.
Right. Port C pin will be set or reset. So here we have set the PC7, no? Set PC7. Now we have to reset it. So MVIA 0E/7EH. No?
Yes.
Out 83H. So this is reset. PC7. Now what will be next instruction? Quickly.
Sir, delay for 10 milliseconds.
So you have to call delay of 10 millisecond. Then what will be next instruction?
JNZ MVIS.
But you have to make it 5 volt.
Yes, sir. Again, we need to do MVIA 0F or 7FH, then out 83.
Out 83H. उसके बाद क्या करना है? What will be next instruction?
Sir, jump करके फिर हम begin पे नहीं सर halt कर देंगे सर यहीं पर end हो रहा है तो halt कर देंगे सर.
जंप करेंगे तो ये फिर ऐसे ऐसे करने लगेगा जी. वो हमको
Yes,
थोड़ी
sir.
चाहिए.
नहीं सर halt हो जाएगा सर. Sir, could you continue in next class, sir? We have SPT lab now.
Yes.